Turkmen Alem 52E MonacoSAT is the Turkmenistan's first telecommunications satellite. It is a high-performance satellite that will secure and enhance telecommunications in Turkmenistan, complying with the priority objectives of the government. Turkmen Alem 52E MonacoSAT will also contribute to the economic diversification of Turkmenistan, allowing the creation of innovative communications and control systems, the implementation of knowledge-based projects, the improvement of infrastructures, and the development of space applications in Turkmenistan.
The launch of Turkmen Alem telecommunications satellite is a vital first step in Turkmenistan's development as a space nation, as envisioned and designed under the guidance of a president, Mr. Berdimuhamedov.
This satellite is a telecommunication satellite which will operate in Ku band. It will cover almost all the Earth with three main coverage, two in FSS and BSS from west of Europe up to China, and one in FSS and BSS in Africa and the Middle East.
At Thales Alenia Space, we were extremely honored that the government chose us in 2011 to build this program after a thorough and professional procurement process. We took it to heart and fully embraced the responsibility. More than simply building a satellite, we have been laying the foundations of a space ambitions for a whole nation.
Turkmenistan will get an autonomy because they will be able to transmit their TV channels from their own satellite and of course any kind of telecommunication transmission all over the world. It is what we call an in-orbit delivery contract, which means that we built not only one satellite but also two ground stations in Turkmenistan. We train a number of Turkmen engineers, and we also buy insurance and the launch services.
We are SSI, the Space Systems International of Monaco. We are very much honored to be the founder of this satellite project, MonacoSAT, and we are very much pleased to be the partner of Turkmenistan for this Turkmen Alem 52 East and MonacoSAT satellite project. This satellite is the first telecommunication satellite for Monaco and Turkmenistan. We will reach with this satellite around 1.2 billion people in Central Asia, Europe, Middle East and North Africa. I would like to thank Monseigneur Prince Albert II of Monaco for his encouragement and support, and to Hürmetli President of Turkmenistan for his starting of such a prestigious project for this region.
I would like to thank the teams today for all the work done by those involved in this project. Turkmenistan and its president, of course, the French company Thales Alenia Space, the satellite's manufacturer, the American company SpaceX, who have enabled its launch, and of course the Monaco company Space System International and its director, Mr. Alemi Aygun.
I wish good luck and success for everybody for this launch. Thank you.
I also would like to take this opportunity to thank my Thales Alenia Space team, as well as all subcontractors, for the very good spirit they have had along the program, as well as the very good efficiency.
On behalf of everybody at Thales Alenia Space involved in this program, I would like to thank very warmly and sincerely, first of all, the President of Turkmenistan, but also the Ministry of Communications, the National Space Agency, SSI Monaco and the Government of Monaco for their cooperation, their support, and for their trust during these past few years. Let me formulate the wish that Turkmen Alem is the beginning of a long and fruitful partnership between Thales Alenia Space and Turkmenistan.